Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, back in the building with another video. Hey, yo, check this out right now. We have a surprise unboxing. Yes, Bulova is definitely in the building. Now, we're about to get into this unboxing. Here we go again. Rolex. Look at that right there. GMT mask. All right, people, let's get into this bully unboxing right quick. You know what I mean? Got this watch last week when we were out of town down in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. One of my favorite spots to go to, me and the family. Now, let's go ahead and get into this right quick. There it is. The Bulova Oceanographer. Check it out. Check that out. The Devil Diver. If you wonder why they call it the Devil Diver, because it has 666 feet of water resistance. But you know what? We'll get into that in the review. But yo, check this out, right? Look at that. Let's take it off this pillow. You know what I mean? Uh-oh. Let's go. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. All right, take that off. Take off the price tag. So I can just rip that off. All right, here it is, y'all. Ain't it beautiful? Ain't this just beautiful? Look at that. Look at that cushion case. You understand? That cushion case. I love the bracelet on here. You know what I mean? Clasp, okay. We got some plastic on this side. Let's go ahead and get rid of that if we can. I don't know. All right, there it is. Come on. Get over there, get over there. It is crap. I got nails and still can't pull it off. Okay, here we go. Yeah, there we go. 1, 2. It's off of that. Is there anything on the other side? No. Okay, cool. Yo, this watch is definitely the bomb shiggity. You know what I mean? That green dial upside down. Green dial. Let's listen to some of that bezel action right quick. Woo! I like the way that sound, baby. I like the way that sound. You understand? I like the way that sounds. You know what I mean? We're gonna go ahead and try him on the wrist right quick. So let's get into it. And here it is on the wrist. Flawless. This watch is so beautiful. I love that green dial. Oh my God. Yo, it's a great watch right here. Great watch, for sure. But Bulova kicked some teeth in with this one. Absolutely. I fit flush on the wrist. Look at that cushion case. Nice. So yo, check this out. Review coming soon on this joint. You know what I mean? This your boy P. Ross, and we up out of here. You know what I mean? Peace and be wild.